Mega Tower Car Wash Station. Please wash these 4 cars for me. They're completely covered in dirt.
Cars in position, lifting now.
They're up here.
Oh no, we're out of water. Let's replace the tanks.
Now I'll prepare the wash solution. Cleaning liquid. Wash solution is done. Mega Tower Car Wash is ready. How to build the Mega Tower Car Wash. Number 1, the main station frame. I'll set up the main platform first. Then, I attach long ramps at the back of the station to reach the roof. Now place a roof platform onto it. Number 2, the lifting system. This lift is used to move the cars up and down. Number 3, the water spray system. I'll make the frame to hold the 2 water tanks first. Water tank. Air tank. This water surface system can rotate left and right. Brush wash section. Exit gate.
Perfect! Release the soapy water now!
Hell yeah! I'm back to life.
Look, the 2 cars below are still dirty.
Okay, move the lift and water tanks then!
Whoa! This wash is great.
Finally, no more sand.
The wash is complete! Please move on to the next step!
Brush wash section is ready.
Your car is good to go now.
Wow, they're shining now. Your service is great.
Please wash my car quick.
These stubborn stains are stuck all over the cars! But our equipment is gradually washing them away!
Thank you for choosing our car wash station.
Sausage food fair.
Wow.
1 hot sausage, please.
This is so yummy. Wow, this is truly a sausage paradise. So many choices. Which one should I pick?
Witamy w Polsce.
你好.
Welcome to America.
Over here, right here, boy! American sausages are the best in the world!
No, try my Chinese sausages. They're the real best.
Dream on, my polished sausages are the best of the best.
Why don't we compete to see which one is the most delicious?
Okay.
That's
right.
Welcome to America.
Sausage stuffers and makers. Collagen casings.
Now I'm gonna make hot dog sausage! First, I'm gonna make ground meat from these pork blocks. Then I pour it into the sausage maker. I'll use a collagen casing to stuff the sausage inside. Yeah, the machine is pressing ground meat into the collagen casing. That's the perfect length. My standard American sausage is done. No one's beating this.
Smells so good. Wow.
Wait, that sausage looks kinda weird.
Oh no, this casing just burst.
The American sausage just failed.
Let me show you Chinese sausages.
欢迎来到中国。
I'll make Chinese-style cocktail sausages.
Sausage filling.
First, I'll knead the filling until it's nice and smooth. All right, into the grinder it goes. Now, this is what you call a real sausage. One more step before it becomes cocktail sausages. I'll tie it into small sections. Let's bring it out. Chinese cocktail sausages here. Come get some.
I'm so stuffed.
Not fair. Why is mine so tiny?
That's nothing. Just wait and see my premium polished sausages.
Witamy w Polsce.
I'm gonna make the best kielbasa from these beef chunks. Kielbasa sausage is ready. Please enjoy, everyone.
Wow, so great!
Delicious.
No more waiting. Let's eat, guys.
Now we all know the result already.
How to build the sausage maker. Number 1, build the press unit. First, I'll build the pressing core. Pusher plate. Attach it to the front panel. Now I'll assemble the casing. Number 2, build the hopper and extruder. Add the feeding hopper, testing with dough. I've made a bunch of cute shaped dough using this mold. Great, the dough is coming out in a strip.
Breaking news. A massive oil reserve has been discovered beneath the seabed of Blue Bay.
At Blue Bay. Hurry up, buddy. We need to take this oil field first.
Don't worry, our car is ready. Let's go. Oh no, the survey car is capsized.
How do we get to the oil field now?
Let's make an underwater SAR quickly.
Build the car chassis. Add the gears. Add the motor. Build the body shell. Connect to the battery box. Add the claw wheels. Testing. Water. Driving in water. Rocks. Driving on rocks. Orbeez. Driving on Orbeez.
I hope this submarine works.
Whoa!
Oh no, that rock area again.
Look, he climbed over the rock.
The oil is right in front of us.
Near the oil field.
What's that ship?
They took the oil, buddy.
Huh?
You bastards, that oil should be ours. I'll take this oil back. A tug of war will decide who gets the oil.
Go!
Keep it up, submarine car.
Don't give up.
Yeah, we won. We've got the oil.
We're gonna be rich.
You're both under arrest for stealing oil.
Parts. Testing. Build the chair. The footrest. The armrests. The backrest. Connect the chair to the chassis. Testing backrest and footrest lifting function. Testing movement function. An accident just occurred here, spilling toxic slime across the road and blocking traffic.
Oh no, I have to get through all this slime. I passed the first slime. Easy peasy.
Oh no, my car is broken.
What happened? I can't control my car anymore. Oh no, the road ahead is flooded. Help me. Somebody, help me out of here.
How to build the bed car. Build the bed. The headboard. The footboard. Wake up, the chair car needs you to rescue it. Build the mobility mechanism. With this strong engine, the bed car can move smoothly and handle any road. Add the battery box. Add the wheels. I'll use the steering wheel for my bed car. Add the steering wheel. Connect the bed to the chassis. The bed car has enough room for everyone at once. Testing.
Bed car has arrived.
Ho-ho!
We will save you, buddy.
My saviors are here.
Whoa!
Thank you so much. Let's keep going to Walmart.
Oh no. How to save our bed car now?
This old bathhouse is sold. Inside that public bathhouse.
Finally, we can run our own business.
Wait, why is this place so run down? Insects are everywhere. Weeds are growing wild.
Ew!
This is total chaos. You've been tricked, you fool. I'd rather die than stay here with you.
Please come back, honey. I must bring this bathhouse back to life. First, I need a spray fountain pump for this pool.
How to build the spray fountain pump. Number 1. Build the spray head. Let's build this spray head inspired by the shape of Patrick Star. The water will flow out from these 3 small nozzle heads. Number 2. Build the water pump unit. Firstly, I'll build a cylinder unit to pump water. Pneumatic cylinder. Now, let's attach all 3 of them together. Add the water bottles inside. Number 3. Connect spray head to water pump. Connect to the battery box. Testing.
Let's fill up the pool with water. Then place the machine inside. Can't wait to see the spray fountain pump work. Awesome, the pool looks way more exciting. Now it's time to clean up this bathhouse. I'm exhausted. Better let that machine handle it. Look, the water blasts the dirt right off the wall. Those snakes and weeds don't stand a chance now. This place looks brand new again. Our bathhouse is now open. Welcome, everyone.
Wow, this place got a serious upgrade.
So spacious.
This is the best bathroom I've ever seen.
The water is clear and so relaxing.
I'm gonna be rich.
Many months later.
Oh, wow. Honey, I want to get back with you.
You won't have a chance now.